Hi, I'm Ursula from Kiloview. Today I'm with our newly released product N6. The only full-function NDI converter on the planet. It's really amazing. N6 is the world's first NDI converter that uses NDI 5 technology. Compared with the previous NDI converters, its biggest feature is that it supports both NDI and NDI HX, both encoding and decoding all in the same unit. Then you don't need to worry about the NDI versions and the compatibility of your source you are going to encode and decode. We can see this gear has two HDMI interfaces marked with in and out. In the encoding mode, by this in, you can input a HDMI and encode it into NDI and NDI HX at the same time. That means you can use NDI for production while use NDI HX for monitoring at the same time without adding your bandwidth load. In the decoding mode, by this out, you can also choose either an NDI or NDI HX and decode it to HDMI for output. In addition, N6 is unique design because it has three audio interfaces, 3.5mm mic in and 3.5mm line in and line out. With mic in, you can easily use the voice intercom function, and you can add any embedded audio by line in. And in decoding mode, you can output audio only by line out. Besides the above features, the N6 also shares the common advantages of traditional NDI converters. As we see, it supports PoE. Another example is the dual tally design. The small tally on the back and the larger tally on the front, which makes it easier for all the people to check the status. And there is a USB interface on the front. Through this, N6 also supports PTC control through serial RS-232 or 85. And if connecting with the keypad, it can support easy switching to decoding sources or even for direct PTZ control. And lastly, you have two ways to install this. You can either mount it on a coat shoe or put it in a rack. In the worst, N6 is an all-around NDI converter. It can be used in many scenarios. If you want to learn more, please reach info@kiloview.com to find us.